Hi everyone, I'm Helena and I'm going to be showing you some eye makeup products from the brand 42 Dubonnet. So basically, let's jump right in. So we're going to start off with the Fringe Noir Mascara. As you can see, it's in this really fun, interesting box. And because mascara, it's an eye makeup product. So the box is shaped like an eye, which is just the cutest thing ever. And it has a bunch of colors and this really cool Art Deco pattern. And then it pops out like this, which is just really cool. And you push the product out through the other side. And voila, and it comes right out. So this is a Fringe Noir Mascara. And so I will show you what it looks like. So here's what the wand looks like. And as you can see, it's really nice to coat every single lash. And this formula has keratin in it and it's very buildable. So you could do one coat for maybe a daytime look and then build that and do multiple coats for a nighttime look. So I will just show you kind of the pigment of this, how nice and kind of just inky black it is. So that's what it looks like on. And so this is the Fringe Noir Mascara. So moving on to our next product, we have this cute little eyeshadow quad. And this is the Mini Compact, Smoky Eyes Mini Compact in Blue Frosted. And it comes in this adorable little bag. And when you open it up, you can see that there are 4 main colors. This really gorgeous like peach shade, a navy, a sky blue, and a sparkly black. And these shades are called Sidecar, Blue Frost, Blue Velvet, and Starry Noir. And it comes with a really nice mirror and these 2 little brushes. And also, so that is the Smoky Eyes Mini Compact in Blue Frosted. And if you would rather use a full-size brush for application, they have these really gorgeous brushes with, again, this really nice design on the outside. You can see that. And then you just pop the top off like this. You can attach the lid to the handle and you have this really gorgeous brush to go right into your product with. And these brushes are soft, so you can build up the color and just really get a nice amount of pigment on your eyes. So this is the shadow brush, and you can use it for any of the 42 Dubonnet shadows. So our next product is the Sultry Eyes Gel Liner, and it comes in this little tiny pot with this beautiful box. This is definitely my favorite packaging. It's so gorgeous with this really nice print in the inside and then the Art Deco over the print on the outside. So here is a Sultry Eyes Gel Liner. As you can see, it's very smooth looking, and this is a long wear liner that will last you all day and all night if you're going out. And it's gel, so it glides right on. You can create the perfect cat eye or just a nice line for daytime. And so if you are looking for a brush for this, there's 2 options. So we have the full-size eyeliner brush with the slanted angle edge. So you can just go right into that and draw a nice line or do the flick for the cat eye. And so then it has this cute little motif on the handle, and as well as the 42 Dubonnet name. Or your other option is to do this gorgeous eyeliner brush, which is similar to the shadow brush in a different pattern, and the lid just pops right off, and then you see you have this really beautiful full-size brush. And it pops out into this little tiny soft brush that you can go into this with. and create very thin lines and very intricate designs just for more flexibility in being creative with your eyeliner. So that is the eyeliner brush, Travel Size Eyeliner Brush, and then the Sultry Eyes Gel Liner, and this is the full size travel brush. So all three of these. So that is it for the eye makeup products that I was going to show you today. So I hope you like what you see, and if you do, check out 42 Dubonnet on their website and on Instagram. Thank you so much.